right, y'all, out here with a 6S run. I know this is gonna be ridiculously crazy. I probably won't even get up to full speed. So we definitely gotta, look at that. Yeah. I knew 6S was gonna be crazy on this. Yeah, this is just, I need a flat open field to run 6S. So 4S is gonna be enough for this right here. So this is probably 65, 70 mile per hour buggy. I guarantee even if I hit the jump, it's just gonna be crazy. So for the remainder of this video, we will be probably going about half throttle, especially out here. Ooh, I almost caught it. So definitely has more than enough power on 6S. Actually, I'm gonna say this. It's probably too much power, guys. So, you guys saw when this video started, I got some 6S Lipos to fit in there, 4,000 milliamps. They're Sonocon, I can't never pronounce that correctly. But those are what I'm using. I got them the other day. I actually got them today, not the other day. I got them today from Amazon, about 100, a little bit over 100 bucks, but yeah, this is too much. So I can't wait to get this out for some on-road speed test. I don't want to blow my tires off my wheels. This is, yeah. Taking up all chunks of grass. I gotta be careful not to do that out here. I'm telling y'all, this is crazy. So this is too much power. No such thing, but there is a such thing. I'm gonna need some good belted tires, because you guys know I did glue these on here and they probably may not come loose, but if I just continuously honk on it, they definitely will. And this buggy can definitely take the power, don't get me wrong with that. I just don't want to start blowing tires off of wheels. Ooh, bop, 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 bop. I get this turned over. So Hobao should also make a truggy version of this. So be on that, I'm pretty sure they will. And then go ahead and make an on-road car. Just changing out your shocks. And they are gonna be doing good. And while you at it, go ahead and make a 7 scale. Go ahead and do a 7 scale while you're at 7 scale series. Woo! That was a hard hit right there. That was a real hard hit. I was trying to hit it at about 50% throttle, and no damage though, except for to the grass over here. I'm about to start braiding a rake with me. So I'm trying to actually jump kind of crazy a little bit to test some of the durability out of this. A little bit. I think my wing might be a tad bit crooked from one of those crazy landings, but Try to get my landing on point again. All right, try to give you guys 1 or 2 more stable jumps. All right, y'all. This is crazy on 6S. So definitely we'll be putting some on-road tires on here. Maybe my Power Hobby ones or something like that. But you guys see I landed several times on the front of this. Didn't really bend it. I didn't expect that to. That's 4mm stick right there. So this thing has got some speed and power in it. So I'll definitely be getting this out for a speed test really soon. Test it on 4S and test it on 6S. I don't know if I should gear up. You guys want me to, I don't know, gear up to a 20 tooth or kind of leave it as it is, but maybe we'll do a super speed side and we'll just put a 20 tooth in there and do a 16 or something like that as well to see how this runs. But this thing is something. So anyway, guys, put your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.